Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 and the L7C Pro. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and overall performance to help you choose the right gimbal for your needs. The Hohem iSteady M6 is a premium option with advanced features, while the L7C Pro offers a budget-friendly alternative. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $229, making it a premium choice for those seeking advanced features and performance. On the other hand, the L7C Pro is significantly more affordable at just $99, appealing to budget-conscious users who still want quality. This price difference reflects the varying target audiences for each product, with the Hohem aimed at serious videographers and the L7C Pro catering to casual users and vloggers. Battery life is crucial for any gimbal user. The Hohem iSteady M6 boasts an impressive 18 hours of battery life, ensuring you can shoot for extended periods without interruption. In contrast, the L7C Pro does not specify its battery life, which raises concerns about how long it can last during filming sessions. This could be a deciding factor for users who plan to shoot for long durations. Stabilization technology is another critical aspect to consider. The Hohem iSteady M6 features the advanced iSteady 7.0 stabilization system, which provides exceptional image stabilization for smooth footage. Meanwhile, the L7C Pro utilizes a 9.0 anti-shake system, which, while effective, may not match the sophistication of the iSteady 7.0. This difference could impact the quality of your videos, especially in dynamic shooting situations. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the L7C Pro offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for a high-quality, feature-rich gimbal, the Hohem iSteady M6 is a great choice. However, if you're on a budget and need something portable, the L7C Pro is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.